Hello, my name is Natalia. Welcome to my channel. I'm a freelance digital artist, and in this video I'd like to show you how I draw a simple sketch of a head from both my imagination and from a reference photo. First, I try to picture what I want to draw in my mind. Sometimes the idea pops right away and I have a clear image of what I want to draw. Sometimes I just go with the flow and draw without giving it much thought. The end result is never identical to the image from my imagination, but I always try to make it as close as possible. I'm going to draw a head of a woman, no one specific, just to make this example. Also, I'd like to point out that I'm not drawing in a realistic way, more of a cartoony style. This is my main style, but you can draw in whichever way you like best. The point is to draw naturally, without analyzing and planning the whole picture. The end result is not that important really. You draw because you want to express yourself. Over time you'll develop the skills to make your drawings look nice. I used to draw this way a lot when I was in school. My notebooks were filled with doodles and sketches. Some I kept and redraw later on, and some were just mementos. Okay, here's the finished sketch. As you can see, drawing from imagination takes some practice. If you're a beginner artist or are learning how to draw, I'd recommend to first try drawing from a reference. It could be a picture, a photo, or from real life. I'm going to use a picture of Jennifer Lawrence, found in Google Images. I'm not going to draw an exact copy of her, but rather try to make a stylized drawing. Some artists prefer to make very rough sketches of the head to pinpoint the general shape and location of the eyes and ears. I find it easier to just draw from a single point and correct the rest later on. There are many tools that make it easy to change shapes and move things around, like the lasso tool and the transform tool. Back when I was drawing traditionally, I overused the eraser to the point that the paper I was drawing on was stained. Alright, back to the drawing. Like I mentioned before, it's easier to draw when you see the thing you want to draw and try to mimic how it looks. The goal is to make your picture look as similar as possible to the reference photo. But don't be discouraged if it doesn't turn out the way you want in your first try. Keep practicing and you'll get there eventually. I hope you enjoyed this short video and were inspired to try drawing your own pictures. See you in the next video. Bye!